The latest celebrity to be at the Mahakumbh is actress Katrina Kaif. Days after her husband, actor Vicky Kaushal, was seen at the Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj. And after Akshay Kumar, Tamanna Bhatia, now Katrina Kaif seen at the Kumbh. Dressed simply in Indian traditional attire, she is at possibly one of the akhadas. And of course, a VIP entry will ensure all sorts of security and safety will be arranged for her. But this is a big moment, remember. This Kumbh has seen several celebrities coming. So that's Akshay Kumar. There was Tamanna Bhatia. 2 days ago, there was her husband, actor Vicky Kaushal, who after the release of Chhaava was also seen at the Kumbh taking a dip. Over 60 crore people already have taken the holy dip. We have seen number of cricketers, actors, not just from Hindi film industry, but from the southern film industry as well. People from across the world who have gathered at the Kumbh. Of course, remember, because it's Katrina Kaif and a well-known face, there would, of course, be a high security cordon in that area to ensure that there is a certain privacy that she's allowed to have. Katrina, I must give you a background, has been seen at different religious, spiritual locations often in the past few months. In fact, she's been seen visiting several temples with her family members. And now she's at the Kumbh. And it's no surprise that she's there. So many superstars, celebrities have come. It's a moment of spiritual faith, a religious connection, to also soak in the mood about what really is happening. What is this kind of discussion consistently about Kumbh? Everyone's wanting to go, and this time you've definitely seen a different fervor despite the numbers. Despite the numbers that have crossed all limits, of course, despite the crowd, people have come. We'll play visuals of other celebrities as well. All right, so I think one of the celebrity couples who I can say has made a presence, that's Katrina and Vicky Kaushal, but separately, not together. But we are also informed that she'll be taking the dip as well, possibly in the next few hours. That's Tamanna Bhatia, Akshay Kumar, other celebrities also who have attended and have been seen at the Kumbh. And remember, this is not just about the Indian stars. There's been, of course, Anupam Kher, Remo D'Souza, Rajkumar Rao, Milind Soman was there recently. Guru Randhawa, musicians have come as well. So it's these days, remember, we've seen whether it's celebrities like Ambani's or even Coldplay's Chris Martin. There have been celebrities who have, since day one, come at the Kumbh.
मतलब मैं बहुत fortunate हूँ that I could come here at this time. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very grateful that I'm able to be here. It's such a beautiful place. मैं स्वामी जी के साथ हूँ इस वक्त और I'm chatting with him and taking his blessings. So I'm very grateful and happy to be here. यहाँ की जो energy है और the beauty and the significance of everything, and अभी मैं स्वामी जी के साथ बैठूंगी. I will talk some more, and I think this is just the start of the experience today. So I'm looking forward to spending the full day here.
बहुत ही मजा आया, बहुत बढ़िया इंतजाम है, बहुत अच्छी तरह मतलब हम यहाँ के सीएम साहब योगी साहब का बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं कि इतना अच्छा इंतजाम कर रखा है. अब तो इस वक्त तो सब बड़े लोग आ रहे हैं, अंबानी आ रहे हैं, अडानी आ रहे हैं, बड़े एक्टर आ रहे हैं, सब आ रहे हैं. तो ये इसे कहते हैं मतलब किस हिसाब से महाकुंभ ये इंतजाम किया हुआ है, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है.
Remember, these days the social media specifically is flooded, whether they are members of the public, from the celebrity world, whether it's film world, corporate tech honchos, celebrities from across the world. For many, of course, it's about devotion, but for many it's also about what is bringing lakhs and crores of people to this one Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, to a holy city which is as old as the Sanatan Dharma civilization, and that is what has got the curiosity of people to be at the Kumbh, where the stars are aligning, literally and metaphorically. And this time, that's why you see more and more film stars coming in. So Katrina is the latest. We have seen in the past, whether it's Hema Malini, Milind Soman, Kabir Khan, many have come in. And many, of course, influencers, social media, content creators have been there as well. And of course, people from across the state or across the country, different states.